The Padawan may carry the name of an apprentice, but there's nothing novice about this blade. Designed by Pedro Buzetti and featured in CRKT's 2025 lineup, this EDC knife has been turning heads ever since its release just a few months ago. The backstory adds an extra layer of intrigue. Pedro Buzetti trained under legendary knifemaker Flavio Ikoma, the genius behind the game-changing Deadbolt Lock and IKBS ball-bearing pivot system. That mentorship clearly shines through in the Padawan's design. It's great to see CRKT embracing this master-to-apprentice legacy, showcasing how craftsmanship evolves through generations. In hand, the Padawan strikes a perfect balance, solid and substantial without feeling bulky. Weighing in at just over 3 ounces, it features a 3.01-inch 14C28N brushed steel blade with a sleek black titanium nitride coating that gives it a clean, stealthy aesthetic. Thanks to the IKBS ball-bearing pivot system, deployment is incredibly smooth, while the flipper tab offers quick, confident action that becomes effortlessly addictive after just a few flicks. Where the Padawan truly stands out is in its handle design. The brushed stainless steel frame offers a comfortable, confidence-inspiring grip, and the frame lock engages with a crisp, secure click. What really sets it apart are the carbon fiber overlays. They not only enhance the knife's visual appeal, but also improve ergonomics, delivering solid grip without being harsh on your pocket or hand. Speaking of pockets, the deep carry clip keeps the Padawan riding low and secure, making it ideal for discreet carry. With a slim 0.13-inch blade thickness and a closed length of 4.14 inches, it practically vanishes in your pocket until it's called into action. Its overall size hits that EDC sweet spot, robust enough to tackle demanding tasks, yet compact enough to stay comfortable and unobtrusive in daily use.